I found unlimited winning products in only 5 minutes, and today I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So I've been dropshipping for a very long time, and I've made well over 5 figures dropshipping. I have made a lot of dropshipping stores, and I've done a lot of dropshipping challenges which you can find on my YouTube channel. So before I show you guys how I find my winning product and how I've made over 5 figures on dropshipping, I want to firstly explain what is a winning product. Now if you already are a dropshipper, of course you'll know what winning products are and how important winning products are as well. And if you're starting dropshipping for the first time, let me explain why winning products are so important. So you can have the best store, you can have the best ads. However, unfortunately, if your winning product is not good, you are not going to make a lot of sales. Now, there are a lot of ways to find your winning products. You can use TikTok, and with TikTok, I've actually used that myself in the past a lot of times. However, the issue is with TikTok that you might find a product that looks good and the engagement is good and the product is viral, but when you start dropshipping that product, it doesn't actually work. Now, that can be down to a lot of things. It could be down to, the product's not relevant anymore, or, another brand is selling that product at a cheaper price. There are loads of different factors as to why sometimes it actually just doesn't work. Again, a winning product is extremely important. You can't just go for a product that looks good. You can't go for a product that you might think will do well, because the issue is with winning products, you need to do a lot of research behind it. So customers don't just buy products online. A product has to stand out to them. So if the product is unusual, or if the product helps them in any way or solves a problem, then that product can be a winning product. Now, the best way to judge a winning product is by knowing that a store that's selling that winning product is doing well. And this is exactly how I've been able to make well over 5 figures, because what I've done is used a specific tool, which I will mention later on in the video. And this tool has basically changed my life when it comes to dropshipping. And the tool that I'm talking about is ShopHunter. ShopHunter is an amazing tool that I've been using for a while, and it's been allowing me to make some serious money when it comes to dropshipping. So what is ShopHunter? So imagine being able to go onto any dropshipping store and see how much money they're making. That's essentially what ShopHunter allows you to do. ShopHunter is an easy to use sales tracker that allows you to track sales on any Shopify store, and it has a bunch of features that allows you to find your winning product. ShopHunter is one of my favorite tools because it always allows me to find my winning products. Make sure to use my code ALIM25 for 25% off your monthly plan if you do decide to sign up. But what's also amazing about ShopHunter is that they give you a free trial. Now, this is a product I was selling on one of my dropshipping stores and ended up making well over 5 figures. The reason I knew this would do well was because before I deemed it a winning product, I used ShopHunter. My favorite part of ShopHunter is the store tracking feature, because what that allows you to do is find stores that are successful, so all you have to do is just replicate it. You can also check the Facebook ads these stores are running, which, if they are running a lot, proves even further that it is a winning product. Now, the free trial allows you to track a couple stores so you can see its potential without any cost. It shows you a bunch of information like product variants and revenue data, so you can understand what's working and what's not. So let me briefly go over how ShopHunter works. So I saw this product on TikTok called the Relief Koala. I copied the URL of the store and pasted it on ShopHunter, and straight away after doing so, I was able to track all their sales. I could see straight away how much money these guys are making. Now, if we click on ads, you can see a chart of how many ads they are running. If we then click here, this will then show the individual ads they're running for the store, so you yourself can see what ads are working. Genuinely a game changer, because you're getting all the exclusive secrets of all these top dropshipping stores, and all you have to do is replicate what's working well. In fact, I used the same product because I saw how well the store did, and I myself made well over 5 figures on this product. This is why saturation is a very good thing, because you can replicate the best dropshipping stores' tactics while staying clear of the stores that clearly aren't doing well, and that's all possible thanks to ShopHunter. And if we click over here, you can search products and it will find dropshipping stores selling that same product. You can then track that store to see how well the products are doing, or see that product on their store or AliExpress. You can also click here and find the top advertised product. So this tool just makes dropshipping extremely easy. And to be honest, if you're struggling with dropshipping or you just haven't started yet, this tool is honestly a game changer, and I would recommend to start implementing this tool on your dropshipping journey. Now, these are the prices for this tool if you plan to take out a monthly plan. However, I'd recommend taking out the annual plan, which is what I'm on, and you can also get 2 months free. You can easily make 5 to 6 figures using this tool, because again, I've used this tool on all my dropshipping stores and I've made so much money. Again, you can get 25% off this tool by using the code ALIM25. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now, once you've found your winning product, make sure to create a one product store around that product. Now, a lot of people talk about general stores and you should create a general store and have loads of products on them. I disagree with that. I've always used a one product store and I've always found success doing doing that. Again, I've made multiple videos on my dropshipping challenges, and I've made well over 5 figures by just using one product store. So once you've got your winning product, you then just need to create a store around that product. You then need to run ads on that store, and you can make some serious money. And again, guys, ShopHunter allows you to find basically unlimited winning products because it gives you all the secrets of all these top dropshipping stores, so you can find out what products are doing well, what products aren't doing well, what products are early adopters, which you can start selling straight away, and what products are dropping off, so you know not to sell them and you know not to waste your money on them. Again, if a store is selling a product and you can see from the graphs that the revenue keeps increasing, you know this product is going to continually do well. Also, guys, if you want to learn dropshipping from myself, make sure to join the Ultimate Wealth Circle. So if you do want to join, make sure you click my link in the description. I've also made a video where I made over $4,500 in only 48 hours. So if you do want to watch that video, make sure you click this video just over here, and I'll see you guys there.